Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I got something kind of cool here. This is the Stonemason edition of God of War, the new one for PS4, and I'm really excited. I'm the biggest God of War fan ever. This is my favorite video game series of all time. I had a chance to meet the creator, David Jaffe, at E3 years and years and years ago before part 1 came out. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox it and check this thing out together. I'm super excited, and all right guys. Yeah, so I'm super excited. Let's get into it. And yeah, as you can see to the left there, I have the regular edition of God of War, and I also have a red DualShock controller. Since I'm a huge fan of Kratos and God of War, I've been waiting so long for this one to come out that I bought a whole new controller, so I need a red controller. And I bought that game to play this. And this set, I'm not even gonna touch. I'm just gonna set it up in my office somewhere. So I have this one that I'm just gonna collect, and then that one over there I'll open and play. And yeah. Oh wow. 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 All right, let's get rid of this. And there she blows. Okay, so this is God of War unboxing the collector's edition. I believe this one, yeah, that's right. This one's right below the Stonemason edition. I only think there's a couple of things that come with the Stonemason edition more than this one, but pretty much the same stuff inside. Yeah, here's my new DualShock I bought just to play God of War. And here's the copy I'm gonna play with, because I wanna preserve this the way it is. I don't wanna touch it. All right, give you a full look at the box. And here's everything it comes with. And we'll check it out together. So it looks like you have a 9-inch Kratos and his son, Atreus statue, steelbook case, 2 brother, hold your brother carvings, exclusive lithogram, cloth map. So yeah, and some digital content here. It looks like Death Val's armor set, Exile Guardian shield, God of War digital comic, God of War digital art book, and dynamic theme. I love the dynamic themes. All right, so let's get in here. Ooh, if you're wondering, that's what the top of this looks like. Okay. Okay, this is a whole nother box, so I'm gonna, wow. Okay, here's the box. That. Here's that. Okay. Looks like some ancient sort of Greek writing there, or some ancient hieroglyphics. I don't know what the heck that says at all. Okay, and this looks like the steel book. Pretty nice here. And I don't know if you could read that. Maybe you could put it in the comments below and tell me. Okay, and here's the disc, and yeah, all the digital content and the codes for that are on the back of there. And here's the back of it, just so you can see. Here's the inside of the case. Here's the inside of the case. All right, before we get to the statue, let's see what's in here. Yes, and this is probably the cloth map. God of War. Okay, nice little piece of artwork there. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice little note from Cory Barlog. If you want to read it, go ahead and pause it and see what it says there. Wow, this feels like leatherish almost. Now, I don't know if this is upside down or not or what's going on, but hopefully you can see that. And there's the map. Okay, and what else is in here? These are those little figurines. These guys very detailed. All right, these guys very, very detailed. Here those are cool. Okay, here's that. Here's that. Let's sit down, all right. Wow. Oh, wow. Now would you look at that? That's the set. The statue looks great, extremely detailed. It's not particularly heavy, but it has some weight to it, but it is very, very detailed. Okay, guys, and there it is. So I'm so hyped. I'm so happy for Santa Monica Studios and Cory Barlog and everything they did. As you guys know, the scores on this game have been through the roof. Perfect 10s, 5 out of 5. You know, it's just, I think this is going to be the greatest PS4 game of all time. I honestly do. So there it is. That's the set. Let me get the steelbook in there. Group hug. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go play because I absolutely love God of War, and I urge you guys to give it a chance if you've never played God of War at all. And yeah, for those of you that like God of War, this set is awesome, and have fun playing it. Leave your comments about God of War, and I'll be reading them because I love Kratos. I love God of War ever since I got a chance to meet the creator before part 1 came out. And that's it, you guys. Laters.